Hi everyone, my name's Carson. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Brown Fox Asset Management and the Portfolio Manager for the TAMIM Australian Equity All Cap Value IMA. And welcome to today's reporting season wrap. Plenty of results out today, and by and large what we've seen is a little bit of disappointment at the top end of town in the large caps, whilst some really interesting and positive results at the small end of town. In terms of the large caps reporting today, Cochlear was one of the main ones out. Cochlear, in our opinion, is one of the highest quality names in the Australian market, and the result today was solid with good growth right across the board. One area of concern was decline in Chinese government volumes. Another area of concern was the guidance for the full year, which basically implies a flat second half. When a company trades on around 40 times earnings, a flat second half probably isn't going to cut it. Another result out today was Challenger. And Challenger again disappointed the market. One of the concerns here was the returns from their investment portfolio. When Challenger raises money via annuities and sells annuities to investors, they take that capital and invest it in the market. They take the risk on the underlying investments. Some revaluations on the infrastructure assets they hold in that investment portfolio led to a decline in investment income and led to a result that was below expectations. Finishing off on the disappointments at the large end of town was Treasury Wine Group, which is down around 4%. Overall, it was actually a reasonably solid result, with strong growth on the back of the Diageo acquisition. But one area of concern potentially is the large increase in inventories we've seen in the business over the last 12 months. This was more a factor 6 months ago than it is now, and operating cash flow has actually improved in the last 6 months. So the market might be overreacting to these inventory levels. But once again, the stock has been in favour of the market for an extended period of time, and the valuation multiple is looking rather stretched. So that's the large end of town. Moving to the smaller end of town, and this is where we saw some positive results today. The standout was Nick Scali, who produced an absolutely stunning result with NPAT up around 45%. Nick Scali have essentially ridden the residential construction boom we've seen on the East Coast in recent years, and that's really boosted profit significantly. They're rolling out new stores and have also increased same-store sales around 10% over the last 6 months. The key question for investors with Nick Scali is, whilst the business is performing exceptionally well right now, is how long this boom has to last, and that's one we can't answer right now. Another result which caught our eye in the small cap space was MyNetPhone. MyNetPhone is a small telco which has grown exceptionally well in recent years. Net profit for MyNetPhone was up over 20%, and this growth is set to continue both through organic means and through recent acquisitions, so the future looks very bright. In addition, management own close to 40% of the company, meaning they have skin in the game and their interests are very much aligned with shareholders. So that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow for more insights into what we're seeing in terms of the company results.